everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and the new year is almost upon us. I'm sure you all have big plans for celebrating the end of 2021, such as a party with friends and family with all sorts of drinks and snacks. Well, I got the ultimate appetizer for any party with these vegan onion rings. Let's get into it. First, remove the skin from one onion. I'm using a yellow onion, but a Vidalia would also be a great option. Now slice the onion into about 1/2-inch slices. Separate the layers of the onion into single rings. Now to bread the onion rings, we'll need 2 bowls. In the first bowl will be a mix of flour, almond milk, and nutritional yeast. Mix until totally smooth. In the second bowl will go Panko breadcrumbs seasoned with salt, pepper, onion and garlic powder, and paprika. Bread the onion rings by coating one ring with the flour mix, then covering with the panko. Place each breaded onion ring on a cookie sheet sprayed with non-stick spray. Once all rings have been coated and placed single file on the baking sheet, give them an optional spritz of cooking oil spray before popping them into a 450-degree oven for 40 minutes. Now that our onion rings are hot and crispy, let's plate this dish. Now I'm just dipping this in ketchup because that's all I have, but go ahead and use whatever your favorite is. There is so much flavor in these onion rings, and they are so crispy with absolutely no frying necessary. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite ways to use onions are down in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next year on Saucy Cat.
That sounded so crunchy.
It is crunchy.